Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create and join Amazon Prime watch party on your Android phone or in your iPhone. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the Prime Video app on your device. After opening, just open the movie video which you want to create a watch party like this. After this guys, here you can get the three dots option before playing. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option watch party. Just tap on it. Okay, now in the next screen, here you can get the option to create a watch party. Just give your watch party name and just tap on create. That's it. After creating the watch party on your Prime Video, if you want to share this link to your friend to watch together, just here you can get the option to copy the link. Just copy that link and share it with your friend. Your friend will paste this link on any web browser. After pasting this link in any web browser, your friend will get the option join party. If our friend will join, you can watch this particular movie video together on Prime Video. Remember one thing guys, your friend also need to have the Amazon Prime Video subscription on that phone. That's it. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.